Hey there, builders and creators. Let me take you on a journey. Imagine an idea sparking in your mind, and then seeing it come to life. This magic happens through computer-aided design, or CAD. And in the world of CAD, SolidWorks reigns supreme. SolidWorks isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. It's a game changer in design and engineering. With SolidWorks, you're not just drawing lines, you're crafting dreams in 3D. From sleek sports cars to intricate aerospace parts, SolidWorks is the tool of choice. It empowers engineers to design, simulate, and visualize with unmatched precision. So stick around as we explore why SolidWorks is the ultimate CAD powerhouse. Once upon a time in the world of design, there was a powerful tool called SolidWorks. Imagine you're an inventor sketching out a revolutionary new gadget. With SolidWorks, your sketches come to life in 3D. Every curve, every detail, crafted with precision. It's like having a digital workshop at your fingertips. But the magic doesn't stop there. SolidWorks lets you design entire assemblies. You can fit all your parts together, just like in real life. Need to see how gears mesh? No problem. SolidWorks lets you simulate movement, ensuring your design works perfectly. And so, your ideas come to life, ready to change the world. Imagine you've just crafted an incredible 3D model. But the big question is, will it perform in the real world? Can it withstand stress and extreme temperatures? This is where SolidWorks simulation tools come into play. Picture running virtual tests before even thinking about a physical prototype. You can apply forces, pressures, and simulate real-world conditions like vibration and heat. SolidWorks provides instant feedback. You can see stress points, material behavior, and potential failures. This allows you to identify and fix problems early, saving time, money, and a lot of headaches. Imagine you're part of a team working on a groundbreaking design. Everyone's ideas are coming together, each person contributing their unique skills. With SolidWorks, this collaboration becomes seamless. Gone are the days of endless email chains and version control nightmares. SolidWorks allows your team to work together in real time, no matter where they are. Picture a virtual design studio where everyone can pitch in, but that's not all. Sharing your designs with clients and stakeholders is a breeze with SolidWorks. You can create stunning photorealistic images and interactive presentations, and even virtual reality experiences that make your designs come alive. Welcome to Section 5, where we dive into the exciting world of SolidWorks in action. Imagine you're an engineer or a designer, bringing your ideas to life with SolidWorks. From the gadgets we use daily to cutting-edge technology, SolidWorks is the magic behind it all. Picture yourself designing a sleek sports car or a rugged off-road vehicle. Car manufacturers rely on SolidWorks for everything from the chassis to the engine. And it's not just cars. SolidWorks is also used to design airplanes and even spacecraft. It helps engineers create strong, lightweight parts that are essential for flight. Think about the smartphones and laptops we use every day, or even the furniture and appliances in our homes. SolidWorks is behind the design of these everyday products. Its intuitive tools empower designers to create both functional and beautiful products. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into the success stories of companies thriving with SolidWorks. Imagine a tool that's more than just software. It's a game changer for businesses. Let's hear some inspiring stories from companies who've harnessed the power of SolidWorks. Take Company A, for example. This startup used SolidWorks to design a groundbreaking product that quickly became a hit. They managed to cut prototyping costs and launch their product faster than ever. Then there's Company B, a manufacturing giant that improved their design process and teamwork with SolidWorks. They saw remarkable improvements in design efficiency and a significant reduction in errors. These are just a few examples of how SolidWorks is helping companies innovate and succeed. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories. Let me tell you a story about how SolidWorks is transforming the world of CAD design. Imagine a world where design is not just a task, but an adventure. SolidWorks brings 3 incredible advantages to the table. First, there's efficiency. Picture this: a design process that's faster and easier than ever before. With its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, designers can work smarter and quicker. Next, let's talk about creativity. SolidWorks is like a playground for designers, allowing them to explore new ideas and create innovative designs. Its advanced features open the door to complex and creative designs. And finally, cost savings. Imagine catching problems early, reducing prototyping costs, and minimizing errors. SolidWorks ensures that your design is right the first time, saving you money and time. Welcome to Section 8, where we dive into how SolidWorks is transforming CAD design and engineering. Imagine a world where innovation and design breakthroughs are at your fingertips. With SolidWorks, it's not just software. It's a gateway to creativity and collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or a new designer, SolidWorks helps you bring your ideas to life. Its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and supportive online community make it the perfect tool for mastering CAD design. Once upon a time, in the vast world of design, there was a tool that transformed ideas into reality. Welcome to the world of SolidWorks. Imagine starting your journey with SolidWorks, where every project begins with excitement and endless possibilities. Picture yourself navigating through intricate designs, bringing complex models to life. With a wealth of resources at your fingertips, from online tutorials to official training programs, the learning never stops. Dive deeper by visiting the SolidWorks website, where you can explore features and find resellers. Join a vibrant community of users, sharing projects and collaborating online. It's time to start designing. Dive in and let your creativity flow. Download a free trial today and unleash your creativity with SolidWorks. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tutorials.